I'm a woman in STEM.
I am a woman in STEM.
I am a woman in STEM.
I am a woman in STEM.
I'm a woman in STEM.
I am a woman in STEM.
I am a woman in STEM. Science is a team sport, and so to be successful in science, people have to want to work with you and find people you want to work with too. So what makes you want to work with somebody? They're honest, they're fun, they know what they're talking about, they share. It's just like everything you learned in kindergarten.
My advice to women who are interested in a career in science would be to bring a lot of perseverance, high tolerance for failure, because a lot of experiments usually don't work at the first attempt. You have to be able to enjoy really to take on a challenge, and then it can be a lot of fun and it's very rewarding career.
My advice to girls interested in science is don't be afraid to go where nobody else has just because you're a woman.
Always commit to everything at 110% and always stay committed to what you're working on.
My piece of advice for upcoming scientists is to take care of your physical and mental health, and don't be afraid to set boundaries with yourself and those around you to make sure that you are doing well.
My advice is to always be curious. So science is about discovering new things and solving problems. So always follow the things that you're interested in and be excited of learning new things.
I would first say to believe in yourself and to surround yourselves with mentors who believe in you and who can support you throughout your career.